A gate valve, as the one depicted in this example, is a linear motion valve. It is used to start or stop the fluid flow. However, a gate valve does not regulate or throttle the flow. The name gate is derived from the appearance of the disc in the flow stream. Take a look at the following cut section of a typical gate valve. Starting our way from up to down, a standard gate valve comprises an actuator, which is in our case here a hand wheel, comprises packing made of the packing material and the stuffing box, comprises bonnet, then a first set of gasket between the bonnet and the body, a stem, inlet and outlet flanges, a second set of gaskets between the valve inlet outlet and the piping connected to it, a disc, and a body. In the following 3D animation, you can see a typical gate valve in the open and closed positions. As you can see here, the disc of a gate valve is completely removed from the flow stream when the valve is fully open. This characteristic offers virtually no resistance to flow when the valve is open. Therefore, there is little pressure drop across an open gate valve. When the valve is fully closed, a disc-to-seal ring contact surface exists for 360 degrees, and good sealing is provided. With the proper mating of a disc to the seal ring, very little or no leakage occurs across the disc when the gate valve is closed. A gate valve can be used for a wide variety of fluids and provides a tight seal when closed. Keep in mind, though, that the major disadvantages to the use of a gate valve are that it is not suitable for throttling applications, it is prone to vibration in the partially open state, it is more subject to seat and disc wear than a globe valve, and finally that repairs such as lapping and grinding are generally more difficult to accomplish. In the next couple of videos, we will see the dismantling of a gate valve in 3D and 2D views.